go. Here's your spoon. Here's your spoon. The spoon.
Where's your spoon, Maggie? Hi. Jules, can you hand her her spoon that she dropped? You want your spoon?
Megan, do you want it? Looks like she doesn't want it.
No.
Floating, isn't it? Right now.
You got a spoon. You got a spoon.
Mom, look.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Mom, can I press X?
There's those little teeth. Hello. I love you.
Floating.
Maggie. I love you. Doing some good talking. What happened to your spoon? Here it is. You want to hold it?
What happens to the computer?
Really?
Can I see it for a sec?
You want to get it? Give Maggie a kiss. Go. Peace out.
Is that enough for the video?
Have you turn it off, Jules?